Let's twist our tongues. Mastering English with tongue twisters. Hello there, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into an exciting part of English language learning, tongue twisters. These phrases or sentences are designed to be tricky to pronounce, making them great for practicing your English pronunciation and improving your speaking speed. Get ready to challenge yourself and have a bit of fun along the way. In the world of language learning, tongue twisters are sentences or phrases filled with similar sounds, making them difficult to say quickly and correctly. They're used around the globe as a form of speech training, language learning, and as a fun way to test articulation. Now, let's dive into some of the most famous English tongue twisters and their pronunciations. We'll start with some simple ones. Remember, the key is not only to pronounce each word correctly but also to maintain the rhythm of the sentence. Take it slow at first, then try to speed up as you get more comfortable. She sells seashells by the seashore. Focus on the sh and s sounds. How can a clam cram in a clean cream can? Pay attention to the cl and cr sounds. Feeling more confident? Great! Let's take it up a notch with some intermediate tongue twisters. I scream, you scream. We all scream for ice cream. This is a great one for practicing the s and cr sounds. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. This one really challenges your p sounds. Ready for a real challenge? These tongue twisters will truly test your pronunciation skills. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? This one's a classic. Pay attention to the w and ch sounds. The sixth sick shakes sixth sheep sick. Arguably the hardest English tongue twister, it's a great way to practice s and sh sounds. Try to practice these tongue twisters regularly. Start slow and focus on clear pronunciation. As you become more comfortable, try to speed up while still keeping your pronunciation clear. Challenge yourself, but remember, this is supposed to be fun, so don't get too frustrated if you can't master them immediately. And there we have it, folks. We've explored the wonderful world of English tongue twisters. I hope you found this as exciting as I have. Practice these daily and watch your pronunciation improve over time. Remember, learning a new language should be fun, so keep up the great work and keep enjoying your English language journey. See you in the next video.